As you know, Black Friday started on Thursday this year. I had a difficult day yesterday. Got a little upset at the Walmart.
Do you want to talk about it?
Well, it's when we got to Macy's. I wanted to eat anything I saw, even my own eyes, or my nose, or my fingers. It was repulsive to me, but I couldn't help it. I was so hungry. In the food court bathroom, I ate a cockroach.
Don't eat me, please don't eat me.
No!
It was disgusting. I wanted something more substantial. So I bought a set of teeth that could chew through flesh. I met up with my girlfriend, and she thought my teeth were just a joke, but I was still hungry. And then I couldn't resist. I just couldn't resist the sweet scent of her flesh. So then
Just spit it out, Peter.
Well, the fact is I did murder someone last night. I turned into a cannibal. It's a long story.
Goodness.